everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to print a brochure from Canva. Open your brochure in Canva. Go to Share, click on Download. Make sure you have selected PDF Print. Check Crop Marks and Bleed and Flatten PDF. Click on Color Profile and choose CMYK. Click on Download. Once the file is downloaded, open it in your preferred PDF viewer or directly in your browser like Chrome. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the Print button. Adjust the settings and then click Print, and there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.